Hi, it's Kathie Jordan from Kathie Jordan Design. I wanted to show you how this piece turned out. I posted a picture of it on Instagram a couple weeks ago with maybe just one little splash of paint on it. And it's one of those little display cabinets that maybe your grandmother displayed Royal Daltons in. And when I saw it at the shop, I immediately thought it'd be a lovely linen tower. So we went ahead and painted it with about 3 coats of Annie Sloan's Original. It's a lovely warm white, and then we did the interior with a little blend of her duck egg and some French linen, just to kind of knock it back a little bit. So it's all done with her beautiful clear wax to seal it. The nice thing about this paint, if you've never used it before, to clean your piece of furniture, you start painting, kind of putting the paint on in all directions, and then to seal it, you wax it. So it's just lovely and tactile, and it doesn't look plasticky like latex does, and it doesn't peel off. We've done a little bit of a rustic finish, so you're going to see where we've distressed the paint a little bit, and I think that it was just the right look for this piece. Every piece has something else to tell you how it wants to be, and I just think this was what I wanted for this one. So if you take a look at how we've dressed the piece up in the interior, this is an area where I anticipate people putting their perfumes and things like that. And of course, you've got a lovely lamp brigade and a nice picture that I think just blends in beautifully. The next little area here, we've got Annie Sloan's lovely fragrances. They are beautiful diffusers. We've got some gorgeous linen towels from Linen Way, which you will, in the next little while, find for sale on our website. There's about 6 of them there, and they don't take up a ton of room, but they're very, very absorbent, and the more you wash them, the softer they get. They're just very luxurious and lovely. Down below, I've got some bedding, some different pillowcases that I find at the thrift that are handmade, and it just seemed like people saved them because they were too beautiful to use, and now I'm using them and loving them. Also have a little lavender sachet, which is kind of nice to put in with your linens because it just keeps things smelling fresh and lovely. Over here, we've got a beautiful hurricane, and if I had some lovely bath bombs, I could fill that with bath bombs. A little container there, which kind of directed the color choices for this piece. Would be great for cotton balls. And then of course our lovely Perth soap products, which I think are fantastic because we're washing our hands a lot these days. And when you're washing your hands a lot, you want to use a nice moisturizer as well. Their moisturizer absorbs beautifully. This top drawer, I would anticipate someone using to maybe put their cosmetics in, that those are there and handy for use. And you've got a mirror there. And then down below, I've got some duvet covers, some bedding, toilet paper, Perth Soap Company's beautiful bar soaps in there, using a little vintage sugar container to put my Q-tips in, and of course another little lovely lavender sachet. I hope you like what we've done. Let us know what you think, and of course I found this little chandelier, which I think, would this not be the most adorable bathroom ever? Hope you love it. Hope you're staying safe. Hope you're feeling creative, and if you feel like you've got some projects you'd like to move forward with, give us a call. We'll help you, FaceTime you. Get your products. We're doing it out the back door. We're shipping it as well. And if you're living within the Wilmot area, we'll take it right to your home for contact-free delivery. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend. Stay safe.